What do you see?
Horses, look at horses.
And what's next? Click the button. This green one. Do that one. What's next?
Open a world of 3D fun with Viewmaster and the Discovery Channel.
Ducks.
You see ducks?
Yeah, I see ducks.
What's next?
Tractor.
Tractor.
Look, tractor. Look at the tractor.
Oh. You love it?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma. I can't see any something.
What can you see?
I see some horses on that farm. I see horses in the field. Look, ducks. Look, these on the pictures. These pictures.
Oh, beautiful. That's see all the haystacks?
Look, it sounds like elephants.
Elephants, yeah.
This goes out.
Alright, do you want to put a different disc in?
Looks like a chicken. Like a chicken.
Here, hold on to it. Let's put a different disc in now.
My eyes.
Which one should we put in? Let's try. Let's try this one. Other way. Put it in this way. There you go.
Open a world of 3D fun
Now
with
turn it around.
Viewmaster and the Discovery Channel.
Turn it around. This way. Look inside. Look inside. Now the other way. What can you see?
A puppy.
A puppy?
Yeah, puppy. Look, a puppy.
Ah, looks like Doodle.
Yeah, you're little. You see something. I see something.
Tell a cheetah by its red
Look.
and black
Look,
spots.
I see something.
What do you see?
Cockerel is scared. A cockerel.
A cockerel?
Yeah, a cockerel's on a tree.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Look, there's another cockerel. That's
Open a world of 3D fun with Viewmaster and the Discovery Channel. Roosters are birds, but they can't fly far.
I see something. A tractor. Horses. What about horses? Just horses.
Tell Grandma you love her. Say, love you, Grandma.
I love you, Grandma.
Kiss the green button. Kiss the green light.
Ma.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say, I'm 3 years old.
A free zone. I see.